Hello, and welcome to the Object Particle Spawner demo scenes. In this video, we are going to showcase the 3 demo scenes that come with the Object Particle Spawner asset. Our first scene is a fun example of using the Object Particle system as a weapon. The Particle Spawner fires real game objects at the enemy by using a standard particle system as the foundation, as you can see in the inspector. In this case, we use the custom behavior of inheriting particle color for our object particles that was demonstrated in our tutorials. Additionally, we easily set up a script to recycle old fired objects back into the pool after reaching a certain number of released objects at any given moment. This is just one real example of what can be achieved with this system in just a few minutes. For our second scene, we showcase all of the examples created in our tutorial videos in a walkable level. By referencing these examples, you can easily see how to create different spawn behaviors to suit your spawning needs. Visit those tutorials for more information. To the right, you can see a recycled and non-recycled spawning system. The spawner on the right immediately recycles object back into the pool when they are released and inherits movement, rotation, and scale. The spawner on the left does not recycle objects immediately. Instead, it releases the objects and they remain stationary because no custom behavior is applied. Now on the left, you can see the UI spawner. This spawner spawns world space UI images and immediately recycles them back into the pool when they are released from the particle system. Here you can see the particle collision, rigid body collision, and general rigid body examples showcased. On the left, the particles use the particle system collision module to collide with the wall and is recycled immediately on release. In the middle, the rigid bodies get released on collision with the wall in the back, and the gravity of the rigid body takes into effect. On the right, the moment the objects are released from the system, again, the rigid body gravity takes over. Finally, we see our custom behavior tutorial example demonstrating how to inherit particle color over a lifetime as a custom scripted behavior. These objects inherit the movement and color of the particles and are immediately recycled back into the pool on release. Our final demo scene is small but showcases an example of how to use the Object Particle Spawner for 2-dimensional sprites. The water drop object is a 2D object with a rigid body attached. The system spawns the particles into the scene and gravity behavior is applied to the water drops until they reach the black bar at the end. The black bar is a recycle trigger that recycles the objects back into the pool when done. Thanks for watching!